Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and for today I have the unboxing of the Pixel 3a. Now it's not a true unboxing because I already opened the phone. I'm sorry you guys don't get to see the plastic cellophane get pulled off and all that other good stuff, but I figured I would go ahead and re-unbox it, show you guys basically what you get, which is not really any different from any other unboxing out there. Pretty much the all you really get in the box is the phone itself, the wall adapter, the USB cable. That's pretty much what you really get. You don't get the Pixel C buds, so that's something that you do kind of miss out on. But it does have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so that's what you're gonna get out of it. But this variant is the purple-ish, and as you guys can see, it's not very purple-ish. It looks more like a tinted blue-white. So that's what it looks like. I do have the white Pixel 3 right there for reference on different things that's different between the Pixel 3 and the 3a. But yeah, this is the box itself. You get the charger, Type-C to Type-C cable, and a USB-A to USB Type-C adapter. That's pretty much it. So no dongle, nothing like that, because it does have a headphone jack. I can tell you guys right now, the phone does not feel bad. I think people's fears was that because it's made of plastic, it was going to feel like super cheap, and everyone has their opinions. But when I hold it with the Pixel 3, I don't feel much of a difference as how they feel in my hand. They both feel pretty much the same, since they put that frosted feel on the back of the Pixel 3a, which mirrors what the Pixel 3 has with its frosted glass back. It doesn't, I guess it's just there to make you feel that as if, you know, it is a Pixel 3 if you ever owned one. But yeah, so the setup initially was pretty much the same. I gotta tell you guys right now, for 399 bucks, pretty solid phone. Now people have been saying that this is going to contend against the iPhone XR. It's going to contend against the Samsung Galaxy S10e. It's supposed to contend against OnePlus. I truly feel that it does for what it has. I mean, Snapdragon 670, it doesn't feel slow at all. It is lighter than the Pixel 3, so I will tell you guys that much right now, which is kind of a good thing. You have your speakers at the bottom now with the Type-C port, so no front-facing stereo speakers for those people that have to have front-facing stereo speakers. But other than that, same camera, same fingerprint sensor, the Pixel imprint. Always on display, turned on. 5.6-inch display rather than a 5.5, so about, yeah, just a smidge taller screen. But like I said, it feels. It doesn't. I don't feel a difference between the speeds between the Pixel 3 and the 3a. Like it feels pretty snappy. Now this could change over a week or two, so when I do my full review on this phone, I'll definitely let you guys know for a fact if it does begin to slow down. But for me, it's been pretty snappy. The cameras, big thing here, and this is what a lot of people are talking about. Same camera sensors on the back, same camera sensor on the front. But I will show you guys, this only has one selfie sensor. It does not have two as the Pixel 3 does. But the photo qualities still look the same. I don't really see a huge significant difference when taking photos. So that's a good thing. You have the squeeze on the side to activate Google Assistant, so you still get that. You still have NFC, but no IP rating for dust and water resistance. So as you guys can see here, I have the selfie cams facing. You see two on the Pixel 3 on the left and one on the Pixel 3a on the right. So you don't get that wide angle selfie, but that's not really a deal breaker for me. So as long as I can take some pretty good selfies, that's cool. Because I'm not a huge selfie taker. I take some from time to time, but not a whole lot. So one thing you'll see here also that has also changed from the Pixel 3 is where the SIM card goes in. It is on the left side of the device, whereas on the Pixel 3, it's at the bottom next to the Type-C port. Obviously, you guys know why that change was made, because the stereo speakers are at the bottom of the Pixel 3a. So they moved it off to the left side, and the SIM tray is plastic. It doesn't have that metal cradle that the Pixel 3 one has. That shouldn't be a big deal. Yes, it's very much so plastic. And again, it's lighter than the Pixel 3. So, but not too off. The weight distribution is not entirely off. It doesn't feel like it's like super, super light, but you can tell it's a little bit lighter, a little bit lighter. As far as the device itself, it is a bit taller. So you guys will notice that. So the Pixel 3 case will not actually fit on the 3A. But, you know, just for the spec junkies out there, if you guys want to know, again, 5.6-inch display, 12.2 megapixel rear camera, and an 8 megapixel front-facing shooter. Qualcomm Snapdragon 670, 2 gigahertz for the higher cores they're clocked at, and 1.7 gigahertz for the lower cores. Adreno 615 with the Titan M security module, 4 gigs of RAM. It does support a Bluetooth 5.0, I believe, and it has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So stay tuned for my full review on the Pixel 3a. I will be doing that soon, in maybe 3 weeks. If you guys enjoyed what I had to say in this video about it, drop a like to let me know. Hit that subscribe button to follow and the bell option to be notified when I upload. And as always, aloha.